Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the ROVSUN 15LBS and the LungoStar 28LBS. In this video, we will dive into the specifications, features, and pricing of both models to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're living in a small apartment, an RV, or a dorm, finding the right washing machine is essential. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the ROVSUN 15LBS offers a total washing capacity of 15 pounds, which is split between 9 pounds for washing and 6 pounds for spinning. In contrast, the LungoStar 28LBS boasts a significantly larger capacity of 28 pounds, with 18 pounds dedicated to washing and 10 pounds for spinning. This means that the LungoStar can handle larger loads in a single cycle, making it a better option for families or those with more laundry to do. In terms of pricing, the ROVSUN 15LBS is priced at $149, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a portable washing machine. On the other hand, the LungoStar 28LBS comes at a higher price of $179. While the LungoStar offers more capacity and features, the higher cost may not be justified for everyone, especially those with lighter laundry needs. Both machines come with built-in drain pumps, but the features differ significantly. The ROVSUN 15LBS has a straightforward design with separate wash and spin timers, making it easy to use. In contrast, the LungoStar 28LBS offers multiple wash modes, allowing users to choose between gentle and normal settings, along with a hidden knob design that enhances its aesthetic appeal. These additional features may make the LungoStar more versatile for various laundry needs. In conclusion, both the ROVSUN 15LBS and the LungoStar 28LBS have their advantages and disadvantages. The ROVSUN is a great choice for those on a budget or with limited laundry needs, while the LungoStar provides more capacity and features for a slightly higher price. We hope this comparison helped you in making your decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.